Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to create another charting scanner. So yesterday, I have some good response for my buy low and sell high based on RSI. The second part where I'm going to use that RSI, how we can find out a selling opportunity to make an intraday and positional trading. So that I'm going to discuss in this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional strategies. And before that, I'm going to show my today's trades which I done based on my option strategy. So and also I tried with some intraday. So this Glenmark which I option which I bought uh, put option today, that is what 530 put option which I taken around 16.6 and exited by 19.6, somewhere around 3 rupees. That gives me a profit around 3300. This is for my intraday opportunity which I selected based on the stock. And Sinjin, this is one by positional option strategy. So based on my option strategy which I was taken this position yesterday, it is not an intraday trade, it is a purely a positional trade which I taken by yesterday. And today, if I got the good opportunity around 60 to sell it out, but due to the bid ask spread gap, it was trading very huge bid and ask spread gap, and after exiting around 60, it went up to 74 also. But I am not worried about that because it is giving me more than 10,000 rupees or 11,000 rupees profit. It is good enough for me, so that's I booked and again. And Motherson Sumi, this is purely based on my option strategy, which I taken around 24.5 and exited by 25, so around 15,000 rupees. But this trade which I made based on positional view, it is not taken for an intraday trade, it is purely taken the positional basis. But when I invested, for example, the 25 rupees multiplied by 3,500, which I invested 18,000 87,000, right? So in this 87,000 I made somewhere around 15k. It is near about 20%, right? So when any trade which gives me a nearby 20%, even if I was taken the position based on positional trade, when it is ready to give me a profit of 20% plus in a day itself, it is a good enough to make book the profit. But after I am booking that at 29, I think it went up to near about 33 34 something. But I got some profit, that is around overall my capital, invested capital, it is giving me a more profit around 15-20% is good enough in intraday. So that's why I booked it out. And this is for my intraday future trade. Well, planning to take some intraday trade also. So that is one of the trade which I taken at Chamber Fertilizer, which that gives me around 4,500. And Techem, so another trade, it is based on my option strategy which I teaching on my paid session. That is the strategy where I taken 91 and it is closed around 105 today. I mean, it is not taken by today. This position I'm holding for a 3-4 days back. I think I'm last Friday or Thursday I'm holding this position, and after my position it coming down to nearby 60 rupees, and again it went up to 109. So acceleration is big acceleration, but I have a stop loss point, so I kept to hold over the position. But and I realize the candlesticks pattern also, it's not good for the stock, so that's why I was exiting with a small profit. I think 54,000 which I invested somewhere around 8,000, it is also be nearby 20%. So that is this trade which I purely taken based on my option strategy. And this is what options intraday which I tried, and 45 to 52. This is a 52, the while taking the photo out of mismatch, it is a 52 rupees which I made a profit around 4,800. The same stock which I tried with in a future also, there we booked around 10 rupees to 7,000. So trend alone, so near about 12,000 profit booking. This is all the trades which I done based on my strategies as well as my logic. So this is my trade which I done today. So if you anyone who ready to take my paid session, so you are welcome, you can join with me, no problem at all. And now what I'm going to discuss here in this video, see Motherson Sumi also taken. Motherson Sumi, it is based on my option strategy, and this TechM. TechM also I was taken based on my option strategy. See, I think I was taken on 8th November. So where I taken on 8th November, after 3 days it was a minimum profit, and this particular day it moves a very big losses. It is the position was ending with a loss, but I'm waited another 3 days. So from 8 to 16, almost 8 days I'm holding this position, exiting with the profit. So the holding period taken a longer the time. So whenever the position comes into the cost or nearby profit, I will exit, or it may be trigger my stop loss. That is the logic which I followed for my option strategy that gives you such a great opportunity while I'm doing an intraday as a positional trade. So that's about my profits. So some of them asking it is a edited profit. No worry, I'm not worried about whether I'm edited or not. So because that profit is not belongs to me. It is one of my client's profit. The profit which I shown here, all of them as a single client profit. All the trade which is happening, that is a single client profit, that is not mine profit, right? So if you are someone asking about you are edited the report like that, so no problem at all. So I don't want to do such a kind of activity, right? So and now I'm going to create the scanner, which we have already created a scanner for a RSI, correct? So we did a RSI scanner for our previous buying opportunity. How many of them achieve? I totally forgot to that RSI buy strategy. What happened today? I seen the stock which is coming in the starting of the day. It's FSL. The only one stock which is present in the morning itself, FSL. When I seen that option FSL, where it is trading somewhere around 7 rupees. That is a good opportunity. FSL, I've seen 170 call option. It was trading. The morning is, I think my internet is disconnected right now. I think, yes. My internet is disconnected. No. Let's wait. First broadcast. So FSL, I think it was trading around, let's be try with FSL. And let's try to do that. FSL, it was trading around 7 rupees, and after that it went up to 10 rupees. Sometimes I've seen in the morning itself I try to buy, but there is a little bit hesitated to do that stock, so I just leave it. But that was giving you such a good opportunity. Let's show you that FSL 170 call option based on the concept. So after that only I was shared late. I was shared very late. Sorry for that, because yesterday I forgot to share that on. So because you see previously the option was trading 36, the daily chart, and 15-minute chart. Can you see that FSL? So can you see today's scenario? There is a closing. The first 15 minutes closing is around 6.5. That is I'm saying 6.5 is the closing price. Even the high for the day is 7.85. After that high is broken, or whenever you seen the stock, it was coming around 7 rupees. 7 rupees in the morning. So from 7 rupees it went up to 10.5. I think somewhere here 10 rupees 50 paisa is the highest level, around 2 o'clock 45, 245. So there is a good opportunity around 3 rupees. I think 2900 or 2600 lot size of this particular stock. I didn't remember that lot size of that particular stock. Just wait. I think 2000 something. If you are making orders, you will be getting the lot size 2600, 3 rupees, almost more than 7000 rupees profit based on the RSI buy strategy. So we didn't get any stocks, very minimum stocks we are going to get on a daily basis. That is what main important where I'm creating the scanners, right? And this one I'm going to create another scanner of RSI sale daily. So no problem, we will go for a create a scan. Here I'm going to trade with futures, and what I'm going to play with that RSI, but we will make the name after that. So we are going to take RSI 14. It is already given. So crossed below. So here we are going to use the number 70 is our entry. 69.2. RSI previously we are using 30 and 70. So here when the RSI is crossing below 69.8, 69.8, and the previous RSI must be that RSI 1 day ago. So that is what our yesterday RSI should be greater than 70. So that is what when the RSI is trading near over and above 70, most of the times we is taken as a oversold level, right? So here I'm going to take a number. Simply we will do 70. This is the method where we can find out stock which is turning down. So today we seen the Bata India only. So a lot of stock will be there, but using this method the RSI must be going above the 70 and return back to the 70, return back below the 70. So that is the point where we are going to find out based on that. So let's go for a Bata India. I think Bata India, it is moves up very big, and it started by 2238. It coming down to the low of 2183, somewhere around 40-50 points. It is moving down today. So if you are even taking an option, there is a chances to make profit in that particular Bata India also. But only few stocks. I'm planning to take not more stocks. RSI sell daily, right? So let's go for a RSI sell. So this is a scanner which I'm going to share you right now. If you know the coding about that, so you can make the code, and I will share you that in my Telegram channel also. Don't worry about that after this video. So I can share you the details about that particular scanner on my Telegram channel. Okay, you can find out my Telegram channel and the description of this video. So let's see Bata India. So it is started by somewhere in the morning itself. It is making a high of 2260. So when I taken a 2260, let's see Bata 2260 put option. This trade put option trade up and 2260. See put option. Strike price is not trading well. That strike price is not trading well. Instead of the 2240, can we check? When we are doing in a live market, you will know what is that about. See, Bata India 2260 is the high price. And what the stock it is? Bata India only. Let's go to check Bata. See, I think there is an issue with my terminal. Just I'm logging here, or where we see Bata India, that time OTM put option of 2200, whether it is trading or not. I think it was not trading, so it is a daily time frame where we can go for 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So this strike prices is just trading good. So around on the morning is around 30 rupees, and after that it went up to 45. But when the stock will coming under the scanner, so that we are going to check it out. Whenever the stocks which comes under the scanner, we are going to check. So if you are checking this scanner, whenever it comes to the scanner at the time, so you can track the scanner from the beginning onwards, so the from morning itself. So here there is a good chances to big move. So even if you are taking around 30 35 also, it is moving a 10 rupees profit, no problem at all. So where if you are taking a first 15 minutes high broken, so 35 to 45, so that is on the lowest level, it is coming down to 25, because it is a out of the money. So that is why it not showing you such a good profit. So let's see what happened. 2300, if the strike price is available for trading, and this is also not trading well, and 2260, why the strike prices not the strike prices are not having the volume, so that is the problem. So but that stock will give you more than 50 points. So this is the scanner which we are going to focus. And when you see that yesterday, how many stock, what are the stocks? LT, let's go for a LT. What happened in yesterday? LNT, that is moving down yesterday, so somewhere around 961 to 943, just 20 points. And the previous day, so we have a lot of stocks. Okay, many stocks which is present. Tata came, lot of stocks. And this one, this particular day, 28th, and recently, and 11th, and previous day before yesterday, 12th of this month, having ABFRL. ABFRL 12th. This is what a 12th. Perfect, that is a big move, and next day also it is continues the momentum. So if you are buying your options, maybe giving you some good chances to make money from that particular trade. So this will not repaint. So again I can tell you this scanner will not repaint. Whenever the scanner forms, it will stay, because it is a RSI. Once it is crossed below, that's it. So it will not never repaint again. So you can use it, the scanner, for a selling stocks, selecting a selling stock. That will help you to find out such a good opportunity. On even intraday itself you can focus, or positional also you can focus. You can combine with some other indicator to get more opportunities. That will help you. Thanks for being with me, and thanks for watching these videos. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share to your friends. And if you have any questions, you can comment on the comment box. And thank you so much for your time. And a lot of subscribers are giving me such a great support for me. And thanks for your support. And we are increasing and we are growing. And thanks for your great support. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.